guys! So, do you know someone that's getting married soon or in a couple of years or they're planning a big vacation or some big event coming up and they want to save for it? Well, a money box. It's already simple peasy. You buy yourself these boxes. They have the slots in them. Beautiful box. Ignore the money. It's for my daughter's wedding fund. And I'm going to show you how you go about and apply your decal to the glass. So it's never coming off of there, baby. Never. Oh, I know. Ignore the money that's in the box. My daughter has already started her wedding fund, and that's what it is. So she asked me just to do a quick decal to put on it. So I'm just going to show you how I go through doing it. So I've already cut out my decal here. I don't know how much room you can see. Not a whole lot. Let's move some things out of the way. And my decal's there. Got my rubbing alcohol. I'm just going to give the glass a couple of squirts and a rub down. What we're doing is we're removing any oils on the glass. So I'm just going to give it a rub down like that. And then put it aside so it can dry. And we use rubbing alcohol also because it is fast drying. So that's why you would use rubbing alcohol. So I have my decal. Let me just find a pair of scissors. Never where I want them. Right here. And it just says our wedding fund. I'm just going to remove the excess pieces there. Now you can weed this a number of different ways. I could just get my weeder right now, lift up a corner, peel back, and do it. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way is to get your transfer tape. And that's the way I'm going to do it. And you cut your hunk of transfer tape. I can't believe I've had this roll for, oh my goodness, a couple years now. And it's still going. Best investment I ever made. So I'm going to put my transfer tape upside down. So the sticky side is up at me. So there's the sticky. I'm just going to take my emblem and I'm just going to apply it. Now I am applying this to the outside of the frame because I don't want to take the frame apart on it. Some people will apply this to the inside, which is fine. This way when you go to clean the outside, you're not having to deal with the decal, which is perfect. If you do that, when you go to cut your decal, make sure the air's popping. Make sure you are mirroring your image. Also make sure that the vinyl you want to use is colored on both sides. Some are only colored on the one side. Okay, so now we've got that, and give it another good rub. And then other than that, other than mirroring your image, you would be doing the exact same to apply. So now we've got that done. We're just going to pull, I like to pull the paper from the image. Now, you got to have really good light for this because you got to be able to see the lines. Now I can see our, I can see wedding, and I can see fund. and it stuck to the glass, so it's staying there. So I'm just going to now give that a bit of a rub down to the glass. It's sticking to the glass very well. And we're going to remove the transfer tape. You see, nothing's coming up. Everything's staying in place. Now I'm just going to give it another, with my finger this time though, another little rub down. Oh, I hope she's not too crooked. And pick up an edge of the vinyl, and it's going to be stuck well. But that's what you want, because then your letters are going to be stuck well. This is one way I do like to do it. I prefer to do my vinyl work like this, because I just find, especially if you're using very fine or very small fonts, if you do it like this, it just helps keep everything in place. So, you can hear how well stuck that is. I am really pulling on that. That's really sticky, sticky vinyl. And now we just go through, and yes, you got to be a little bit more careful because you got the glass there, but you just carefully weed it. You can do it without scratching anything. But yeah, that's stuck really good. That's not coming off. So I hope she likes it. So yeah, now that I can announce that my daughter is engaged, be prepared to start seeing a lot of, yeah, I should shift it over this way a little bit, a lot of wedding projects, because I've actually offered to do their invitations. So yeah, it's going to be cool. I'm really looking forward to it. We haven't had a wedding since my first daughter got married, and that was 10 years ago. Holy. Back then she was only 23 when she got married, and yeah. Our daughter now is, the one that's getting married, is 25. But anyways, except for I should have had it over a little bit, and I really should figure out how to open it so I can get the money. There it is. Our wedding fun. So yeah, quick and easy. So yeah, so there is our wedding box fun, or our wedding fun box, I guess you would say. But yeah, so stay tuned for many more wedding projects over the next year and a half. So quick, easy, simple. You already know how to make your decals. I just wanted to show you how to apply it. But anyways, guys, make sure to remember to like all of my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to use my affiliate links. Without your support, there's no channel. So take care, guys, and happy crafting.